Hello friends, and welcome to our review of the Glen 4022 mixer grinder. This mixer grinder is truly a multi-purpose and multi-utility appliance that is designed for performing all pre-cooking chores with efficiency. From grinding dry spices, soaked rice to preparing batter, smoothies and milkshakes, you name it, and this mixer grinder will perform accordingly. The specialty of this mixer grinder is that it is equipped with a 750-watt heavy-duty 100% copper powerful motor that delivers a powerful and silent performance. This mixer grinder is sturdy and stable so that while performing the toughest of the tasks, it doesn't lose balance. The white and grey looks go with any kitchen decor or theme. The mixer grinder comes with 3 jars that includes 1.5-liter stainless steel liquidizer jar, 1-liter grinder jar which can take 300 grams of dry grinding or 300 milliliter of wet grinding, and one 400 milliliter SS chutney jar for tongue-tickling chutneys. All the jars except chutney jar are equipped with extra strong handles that provide durability and firm grip. The lids of these jars are made from high-quality polycarbonate that makes them unbreakable. These lids are transparent, giving you the luxury to monitor the grinding or juicing process. The food-grade 304 stainless steel blades are crafted precision, juicing and grinding. All gaskets on the jars are food-grade material. You can operate this mixer grinder easily with its 3-speed settings with pulse function and achieve desired results. The oil seals present at the bottom of each jar adds value to the product as it prevents any kind of leakage. Also, it avoids any contact of the bush with the food, making the food more hygienic. All jars have specially designed 6 fins coupler for better driving and long lasting. To protect the motor from burning, there is an overload protector mechanism which prevents from overloading the mixer grinder jars. This mixer grinder is approved by ISI. To sum up, this is a great appliance for your kitchen as it takes care of juicing and all your pre-cooking chores with ease. Glen mixer grinder comes with 2 years brand warranty and 5-year warranty on the motor. For further details, please refer to the product page.